If you're a Pipedrive customer and you've been looking for a way to power through your calls 3 to 4 times faster than you normally can, just using your phone or any sort of click-to-call functionality, then you're in luck. PhoneBurner's Dial Session Companion extension for Chrome and Microsoft Edge makes it extremely easy for you to take a list of contacts and load them into a PhoneBurner power dialing session. Let me show you. Here I've got the extension installed. I've added the PhoneBurner personal access token for my account. And all I have to do is click the Scan and Launch Dial Session button. And the extension is going to scan the page, identify or find as many contacts with phone numbers as it can, and load them into a dial session. So now all I have to do is go through here and set everything up and get connected. What's great is once I get connected and start dialing, the extension is automatically going to navigate to the contact record that is being called. So here I am calling Rachel Sample, but you'll notice behind the scenes or in the background on the original tab that I launched the dial session from, I'm actually looking at the full contact details for Rachel Sample, allowing me to take notes, log activities, do whatever it is that I might need to do to that record based off of the call outcome that I experienced while using PhoneBurner. So again, let me show you how easy that is. So let's go ahead and say I talked to Rachel, we booked an appointment, so I click the appointment disposition in PhoneBurner, and I move on to Lisa Cooper. And you'll notice that, again, the browser tab is updated to Lisa Cooper's details, allowing me to update that record as needed. Now in the lower right hand portion of the page there is a little widget that kind of goes along with you as you're making calls. This widget is going to track all of your calls that you make throughout the day using this extension, so that you can track and see how close you are at completing your daily outbound calling goals. There's also a quick link to the contact record if for whatever reason it did not open up automatically. Now when you're done with your PhoneBurner dial session, all you need to do is click on the stop button, and now the system will stop trying to follow along within that tab. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to start taking advantage of the PhoneBurner Power Dialer within the Pipedrive CRM. Now all you need to do to start taking advantage of this is install the Chrome extension, or again, if you are a Microsoft Edge customer, the Microsoft Edge version of this extension, you just go to the web store, search PhoneBurner, and you'll find the PhoneBurner Dial Session Companion app. Go ahead and install that and start power dialing through your contacts in Pipedrive 3 to 4 times faster than you are now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy dialing.